In Xojo 2022 R1, we're introducing an entirely new documentation window. This replaces the language reference window from previous versions. As the name implies, this new window contains all of the documentation. That means the quick starts, tutorials, information on how to use the IDE and the language, and articles on a wide range of topics. And of course, the entire Xojo API and more. To search, just click in the search box and type something you'd like to search for. I'm going to type in desktop list box. And as you can see, that you get live results as you type. And I'm going to click on this first item, and that takes me right to the class page. And we've reorganized the class pages as well so that all of the information about a class is on one page. It starts with these tables at the top: properties, methods, and events. And for methods, you see the entire syntax, events as well. You can tell what it returns, if it's a shared method or not, that sort of thing. And when you want to go to a particular method, if you want to see more detail than this, just click, and that takes you right down the page to that part of the description of the method, along with code examples, etc. If you want to look at a different method, you can scroll, or you can click the top button in the lower right to go back to the top. The new documentation window supports dark mode, and it's quite mobile friendly, which makes it great for perusing on a smartphone or a tablet. Now, this version of the documentation is all online by default, which allows us to update it from time to time and for you to see those updates live. But if you're going to be in a situation where you have a very slow internet connection or no internet connection at all you need to do is go to Xojo, go to Preferences, and choose to install the local documentation, allowing you to use it offline, as the name would imply. So that's the update on the documentation window. I think you're going to really like it. And if you have any questions about it, contact us. Thanks.